bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small.
Hello, I'm Craig from Four King Outdoors. Previous YouTube channels also include the Four King Diggers, which is mainly my metal detecting channel with the foo bars, and other people never done this before, so this could go extremely badly. I've had a pheasant given me. I assure you it is not with us anymore. I've been told how to peel one. Let's see how this goes, eh? Apparently, let's get on with it. Right. This ground's extremely dirty, but dirt is. Knife, courtesy of King Digger. Lovely piece of kit that. Very nice. Apparently I was told to cut around the neck. Like I'm doing now. Until I pull it bone them together. Which I think I have. Then, hold the knife away, not stabbing yourself. Right. So let's get a bit. Standing on wings. We've got that. Pulling it forward. Just not having it. Google wide. Slippy. Never mind, it's the first time I've done it. It's a wing on, and that's not looking good up to now. That's the other wing on, so I'm pretty sure I'm doing this wrong. Sounds like this, you need a foo bar. I think I've done this totally wrong, but I'm going to take it as best I can now. So let's tell that up so you can see what I'm doing. The sharp knife is extremely sharp. The breast is just there. Quite nice, that. So I think with one of the wings being clipped by a shotgun or whatever it's set it, have a good shotgun. Couldn't get much purchase in the actual wings itself. Well, at least I've done it this way. Plenty of fat on it. It's a well fed bird. I'll leave the rest for the foxes and whatever. I shan't be cooking this today. For one, I haven't got time. I'll be brutally honest. I thought it didn't smell more than it does. Just like peeling a chicken. Some people sitting there watching their skin. What the hell is he doing to this bird? I am struggling. So there you go. First time I've done it. It smells right, actually. Lovely breast. So none of it's going to go to waste. I'm just going to put that somewhere. Put it on top of that. Use the wings as a plate. So I'm left with this. Seems a little waste, doesn't it? But what I'm going to do is I'll cut this off. Strip it into pieces. Mr. Fox, another bit of it. The leg come off. There's quite a bit of meat left on it. Guts and whatever. I thought it'd be a bit more squeamish in this, but it ain't actually. It's the liver. Got. That's all separated out. I'll have a couple of feathers for the first time. Souvenirs. Well, that's me done. So thanks for watching. I'll do better next time. That's all I can say. Big thank you to Andy for giving me the bird. Won't go to waste. Thank you very much again. See you in the next one.